think I've been given the most challenging part because print, as you know, is right in the forefront of this digital revolution which we are all facing. Print is actually at a point where we are looking at, or I've already looked at, in answering the question, what is the business we are in? Many industries go through this process of figuring out, okay, we've been doing the same thing for a long time. Environment has changed. What is the business we are in? Are we in a business of just putting ink on paper and letting people read whatever we print out? Or are we in some other business? And with the digital revolution, print publishers have started redefining themselves as content producers. So we are, many times you've heard this, content is king. So they redefine themselves as content producers, generators, which is put across various platforms. I would say that it's even gone a step further. Today, not only just being a content producer, it's actually being somebody who engages with audiences. So you have to engage with audiences in many different ways. And that's how print brands have to see themselves. No longer should you refer yourself as in print. You just have to refer yourself as a brand. You might have seen, for example, a lot of these fashion houses, Armani, Calvin Klein, they started off making clothes, then they got into shoes, then you see them that now they make cutlery, they make bed sheets, some of them even set up hotels with their brand names, because they have redefined who they are. They have redefined themselves as luxury brands, which can then be transported across various platforms as long as they maintain their brand value. I'm not suggesting media sets up hotels, etc. But it just shows you that how you can extend yourself across various platforms by being in a particular business, which you expand further. So that's what the position where print brands are. So we are in this whole digital revolution. It's actually a digital tsunami. The good news for the print media industry is, I think we are riding the top of the tsunami. We're not under it, right? It's a tsunami you can't control. It's a fast-moving tsunami where you don't know where you're heading, and you have no control over it. But you can do your best to see what you can do to actually monetize this huge revolution. And I think that it's a great opportunity. It's not something which, there was a time when the print publishers were in a very depressed mood. I used to go to conferences and always see long faces, what's going to happen to us? We're all going to die. We're in the horse carriage industry, the cars are coming and everybody will forget about us. But I've seen a change now. A lot of print publishers have now converted this great tsunami, which they thought was going to bury them, into a great opportunity. They have converted their brands into multimedia brands. So you can generate revenue not only by just advertising, which is in your print form, but advertising digitally across various platforms. And this has become, I believe, a huge opportunity. In India in particular, you already have about 240 million internet users. It's about two to three times more than it was 3 years back. There are 350 to 450 million in the next 3 years. So you can just see how much opportunity is there. Smartphones are 207 million. They're growing at a rate of 40 to 45%. Now, these are all opportunities where you can transport your content. And publishers today, the print publishers, are people, I believe, who have got great content. So they shouldn't have anything to worry about. Although there is more content loyalty than brand loyalty in the digital world. But I think that the fact that print publishers have valuable content which they can transport across these various medium, they have to modify them according to what the medium is. But there's a huge opportunity for them to actually monetize this in a bigger way. The big challenge is that your traditional businesses may be declining in some form, and this is increasing, but what is declining, increasing at what rate is the big challenge that you're, in fact, earning dollars and you're earning cents sometimes in digital, because the digital advertising revenues are not so large at the moment, and there's a huge amount of competition. But you're earning money in your traditional businesses and pouring it into digital, hopefully at the end, because the future is digital. And if you don't invest, you will die both ways. So this is the model which is being pursued. So basically the mantra is transform yourself into multi-platforms. You have to be available anytime, anywhere content, contextual referencing, contextual advertising and commerce. You have to build experiential platforms such as events, conferences, fairs, seminars, shopping festivals, fashion and celebrity-based events, brand launches for advertisers, 360-degree amplification for advertisers. This is the huge opportunity. You will find many times the events of a magazine are in fact sometimes more profitable and more known than the magazine itself. So the whole business has transformed itself. I think the other part of this new digital revolution is that how content has changed. Let me just put this in some sort of a context. That today you have to design your content which will be available on any kind of screen. Everything will be seen on a screen. So you have to design your content to be available on a screen. Number two, it should be interactive. If you cannot have interactivity, you will not get audiences. It should be shareable. So you should be able to share your content. Third, it should be, fourth, it should be flowing. That is, it should be available, everything should be available everywhere all the time. Accessing it. Access is valuable, then ownership. Easy and intelligent access. And then generating content which is content plus. So it's not content which is commoditized. I think if these values are maintained in your business as far as print is concerned, you have a great future ahead. And this is what the India Today group is doing, a lot of it, which is that we're trying to do synergy and convergence with all our various brands in terms of print and TV. Journalists are encouraged to write for TV. Print journalists appear on TV. The TV journalists are encouraged to write. So content is synergized, and even ad selling is monetized that way in terms of making offers to advertisers in an integrated manner. So a brand launch can be done right across all your platforms. So there's a great story out there in terms of convergence. It also means a lot of change for the way journalists work. It means a lot of change in the way the business side works. Even on the agency side, they have to have integrated teams who can look at media in an integrated manner. It is still somewhat fragmented. So I see that this is a great opportunity for print brands. I think they don't refer themselves as print brands anymore, for brands which have in legacy been print. And there are huge opportunities in the digital space for this monetization. Thank you.